What's up, guys? It's the Welding Machine. Alright, guys, so pretty much on this hot day, which is, I think it's Sunday, so I'm gonna post this video today. The Lincoln Ranger 10,000 is doing a great job. We got plenty of hours on there. I don't know if I think the hour meter is working properly. I think I would have to look at the oil filter, but we ain't really put too much time on there. It's a great machine. We're gonna do some customizations for the welding truck bed. And I got a review on a ground that I bought from Tractor Supply. I can't remember what it's called, but it's been like years. So I'm gonna show you guys. Okay. Alright, guys, so here's my ground that I bought from Tractor Supply a while back. This used to be a great magnetic ground. Over time it gets worn out, you know, not making a good connection. It's arcing out all over. You can tell right there where it's arcing all out over. Overall, this was good. I had this for a while, but I probably won't buy this again. I'll probably go back with a standard ground clamp, and then probably have like a designated hand clamp or something to clamp onto whatever I'm welding to. This ground was good at one point in time, but then until it wasn't. It's like broke down, worn down. I mean, it was good when I first got it, but now it's just more of a hassle because it messes up when I'm welding, because it won't get the proper connection. What's up, everybody? It's the Welding Machine. We got some new consumables. See, this one's cracked, but it still works. I'm gonna use this for the shop. Got a new one. This replacement, this is a BERGER 400 amp electrode, high strength springs, jaws, acceptable rods up to a 1/4 inch, groove form grip rods, 45, 90, 180 position, high quality connector, better for conductivity and better for arc welding, heavy duty impact resistance and handle. All right, so this is what we got from Harbor Freight, and overall, I mean, that's a pretty good handle. It's pretty thick, heavy duty. It feels good. It feels good in my hand. I can let it go, and it's actually a little bit longer than my current one. We're gonna place that. We're gonna place the ground clamp. This one is a 400 amp one too. I like the traditional. It's better than what I got. Got all this from Harbor Freight. It's a little bit cheaper. This is my original. Yeah, this thing all started arcing on the sides. It worked for like 6 months, and I had it since. I had it for a couple of years, but we're about to go ahead and replace this. I don't use that no more. It poor arc quality for me. I'm gonna change this out. Slide it all the way to the back. And now, what most people do, I don't strip it off that much, because honestly, if you do, you have it makes it better if you keep it tighter. This way it'll be not too much sticking out, but just enough, you know. Alright, now with this part right here, you're gonna need some pliers, but that should be fine, I think. Okay. Alright, so we got to peel back. We'll take this old one off. This is still somewhat good. We're going to leave this in the shop. Put this to the shop. Put that in the back. I'm going to save that. But I feel like I need to get another one. So, now what we're going to do. Okay, let's see what we got here. Slide it out. Put this on the actual where it's going. Now we're looking at this. I need the connection. So we're going to skin the wire back a hair. Probably like that. Okay, now we're going to open this up. Take this nut out, one bolt, I'll loosen it up. I'm going to try this out before it gets too dark. I'm going to slide this in. I'm going to slide this wire in. But before we do all of that, we got to pull back this thing out a little bit more. Go like that. And gotta shove it in there. Shove the whole thing in there. All the way. Tighten it up. Pull on it. Slide this up. Voila, it's connected. Now we're gonna go try them out. Be right back, guys.